Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: beef and bok choy in ginger sauce. Let's get to the ingredients: sesame oil, oyster sauce, Chinese wine, white pepper, salt, fresh ginger strips, garlic, onions, red bell pepper, soy sauce, oil, water, beef. I've already washed it and rinsed it in cold water. Bok choy, these are the ingredients we will be using. And I have a wok here, and I'm going to turn it on medium. Going to add some oil to the wok. And then we're going to saute the beef. For about 3 minutes on each side. Let's check and see if the beef is ready. And by the way, I'm using flank steak for this stir fry. Flank steak is the best to use for making stir fry. Yes, it's ready. Now I will take it out and put it to the side. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next step, making the sauce. The Chinese cooking wine, and as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Sesame oil, oyster sauce, white pepper, salt, we mix this up. water, soy sauce, and cornstarch. You can use all-purpose flour also to thicken it with if you don't have any cornstarch. Stir all the lumps out. And here you have it, the sauce. Now let's move on to the next step. We're going to turn the stove on to medium low. Now we're going to add the ginger strips. We're going to let this saute up for about 2 minutes. We're letting the oil get infused with the ginger. Before we add anything else to it. Now it's time to add the garlic. We let the garlic and the ginger now saute up for about 30 seconds. The aroma smells delicious. Now we're going to add the red bell peppers. We let this saute for about 1 minute. Now it's time to add the onions. Let this saute up for a minute. Now it's time to add the beef back in. Now we'll add the sauce. We'll cover this up for 3 minutes and let it saute for 3 minutes. Then we'll come back with the last step. Let's see how it's coming along. It's a little too thick. I think I have to add a little bit more sauce, liquid to it. Yeah, that looks much better. Anytime when it's a little too thick, all you have to do is add a little bit more liquid to it. Yes, now it's time to add the bok choy. Okay, let's jump into the wok. At the bok choy, jump into the wok. Come on, jump. There, now that the bok choy has jumped into the wok, we're going to stir fry this up for about 2 minutes. We want the bok choy to be nice and crunchy. I've plated it up, and here you have it. Beef with bok choy in ginger sauce. I'm serving mine with steamed brown rice. You can serve yours with white rice, fried rice, or whatever way you choose to serve yours with. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time that I have a new video coming out. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.